today we're going to be playing lokicraft, and I'm gonna show you my cake truck. I don't know what it's going to be called, so here it is. Yeah, and I made it myself, and it's only one player because we don't have on other phones that that usually at work. But ignore the background and let's get started to the review. Okay, here it is. This is where they sit or eat. And if there's a homeless, I have a lot of stuff for them, food for them. I'm gonna give them free food, and yeah. And I don't know what I'm gonna call my truck is. This is my cookies, my watermelons or fruits, something like that. Cakes, besides it's cake. And here, this is where the diamond blocks is. Yeah, or any blocks. And this is all the food. Yeah. Food, bottles, water. I don't have enough water, so it's fine. Here's my crafting table. Here's some shortcuts to give people. You can only employees allowed to go up, and yeah. So this is all the stuff that homeless people need. Oh yeah, I know it's a lot, but yeah. And please subscribe and like. If you're already subscribed, don't click it again because you're gonna unsubscribe, and that will be so. I'm gonna lose a little bit of subscribers. Okay, here, I don't know how I sit. I just look at that. Okay, so, okay, let's go. Oh no. Never mind. This is, I don't know what, I forgot what it's called. Comment down below what it's called. Oh yeah, you guys can't comment yet because you guys can only comment in 60 days, I think. And here is the how I don't know what I forgot. Oh my, why do I always forgot what it's called? This is the window for everyone. Oh, that small thingy right there. That's my build. But hear me out. It failed. I was trying to build a house and make a video and house tour, but it's a fail. I made a house. It's real small. I cannot make it any bigger because I'm a bit lazy to build a house, but not that lazy to build a truck. If you're building a truck, it's like you're building a house. Okay, I'm not that lazy, but hear me out. If you play lokicraft, you can join me. You can join me whatever you want, and here's my seed if you want. Here. yeah, that's the seed. And if you already have Minecraft, okay, never mind. I don't know what to say if you already have Minecraft. We don't have enough money to, I don't know. I always say, never mind. I'm gonna tell it if I have 100,000 subscribers. Okay, so I don't know what to do now. The minute table, more minute tables. I love it. I love how the chairs looks like. I love how the tables looks like. It's pretty than the carpet one thingy. Oh, and in the next video, we're gonna have a new video that Hannah's gonna give me theirs in Roblox Brookhaven, but I cannot touch the color white. Yeah. Oh, I don't know how to craft, but I just put it here for a reason, guys. Cause, you know. I don't know what to say. So I think this is the end. And I think that's what we have for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the and subscribe, yeah, and if you enjoyed this video, bye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. And I hope we reach 10,000 and then 100,000 subscribers. And if we did it, I'm gonna tell you guys our secret. No, we don't have a secret. Okay, bye guys.